Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you next week.
But the stars of this culinary demonstration, two very important gentlemen that I would like you to meet. The first, well, he is the man with the biggest hat on the ship. He is your executive head chef. Give it up for my friend Claudio! Morning, chef!
Morning, How's the morning so far?
Oh, chef,
I
welcome.
hope it's not getting worse.
No, it won't get. Things can only get better. I'm seeing some wonderful ingredients, and more importantly, some wonderful alcohol there as well. Now, chef, let's get to know you a little bit better. How long you been at sea with Princess?
Around 24 years.
24 years. Very good.
Now maybe some of you are going to be disappointed. I know Italian music, Italian name, but I'm Romanian. So I break the curse of Italians.
Now, you oversee a wonderful team. How many people in your team, chef?
I'm the proud manager of 221 guys. 158 of them only cooks. The other one, they are going to be the steward.
There you are. Give chef's team a big round of applause, everyone. They do a wonderful job. And the amazing thing about the culinary demonstration is not only are you going to see some wonderful recipes get prepared, you will also get to meet some of your team at the end as well. And of course, followed with a galley tour. Who's going to join us in the galley later on? Yeah? Very good.
So we're going to have a galley tour on main galley deck 5 after this show. So you're going to see back of the stage on the other side.
It's going to be great because usually if you wander into one of our galleys, our food and beverage director will give you a pair of gloves and you'll be washing the dishes. So today you don't need to do that.
We still have the breakfast one.
We still have the breakfast
Considering
dishes.
that we make every day around 20,000 dishes, so we have a lot of dishes to wash.
Yeah, and they do a great job. They finish every single one of them. So well done, everyone. Now, folks, we have met the man behind the team who cook, who prepare all the ingredients to make those wonderful dishes. But we also need to deliver you those dishes, in charge, overseeing your wonderful waiters and waitresses, the delivery of all those wonderful dishes. He is your director of restaurant operations. Please give it up for Daniele! And some of his team as well. Oh, you're on.
My partner in
You
crime.
brought bodyguards with you? You brought your Why did you bring bodyguards with you?
You never know.
Apparently we are friends. We work together, but it's making my day worse always.
We neighbors too.
Now, Daniele, you oversee the wonderful team that are in charge of the delivery, the waiters, the waitresses, the wonderful
Mess, sanctuary everywhere.
everywhere.
Except the bar.
Except the bar. And I will say, it's not only our wonderful guests that you're cooking for and delivering for, also the teammates on board as well. All in all, about around 4,000 people every single day. So
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Let's give Daniele's team, a couple of his boys on here, a big round of applause.
Thank you.
Now,
How many we have in our team?
what a great answer.
280.
280
Yeah, they
people
are
in your
more
team.
than mine, but it's quality over quantity. So
We see. Wow. I feel like I should hide all the sharp knives. I feel like this might get messy. Now, Daniele, how long have you been with Princess?
In April will be 42 years.
42.
I'm 45 now.
Well, I am going to let you get on with the show. I will be back later on and we get to meet your wonderful teams. But please, ladies and gentlemen, once again, give it up for Chef and your Director of Restaurant Operations.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show!
See you later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are
Are
here.
you cooking or me?
I'm the one with the... apparently I'm the one
Okay.
in charge here.
Let's go back.
So I will have him as my assistant. We're going to do today what we're going to try to explain. It's going to be 5 dishes. Since Princess is having an Italian backbone, few of them are going to be, 3 of them is going to be Italian, 1 German and 1 Swedish. So what we're going to cook today is going to be salmon gravlax, which is a Scandinavian dish, marinated salmon. Then we're going to have linguine al pesto, Italian dish, moda ligure. And then we're going to have penne arrabbiata, Italian again, shrimp fra diavolo, Italian once again. And the last one, I will let you check the Google. It's going to be Schwarzwald Kirsche Torte.
Black Forest.
So Black Forest cake, original German. All right, so we can proceed with our cooking. If you can help me, we're gonna
Yeah,
start.
tell me what to do.
First of all, we're gonna start to boil the pasta. By the time pasta is gonna be ready, cook
Yeah.
the salmon at the same time. So all the time when we cook the pasta, you know already the tradition in Italy, never break it and put salt in the water. A little bit of salt, not so much.
Okay, don't worry. I'm cooking. What is the pasta?
Pasta is right here. So
You get the real
as we
pasta.
said, never break it.
No, break it a little bit more.
It's about one portion. Done.
How
In the
many
same
minutes?
time. It's written usually on the package 9 minutes, more or less, but we will
8
see.
minutes for Italian.
We will see later on.
Right. Okay, water is boiling.
one is done.
Timer, 8 minutes. Make even 7. Vediamo.
So salmon gravlax, as the name in translation from Swedish is mean buried salmon. So this one it originated in the Middle Ages, when the fishermen in Sweden they need to preserve the salmon, so they will be killed with salt and then they buried in the sand on the low tide. So that's why they can keep it longer. Now the recipes is then evolve a little bit. What we're going to use now and the actual recipe that we use in every restaurant, in every professional restaurant, is going to be equal parts salt and sugar. We're going to mix it together. Then pink peppercorn. We need to put the gloves first of all. I don't think that one is involved in any recipe, but
Open it please, peccato.
you can check.
You, aperitivo time.
Yes.
Any wine?
It's good because in Italy now what time is it? It's evening already. So it's going to be an evening drink.
Andiamo.
Now what we have is Atlantic salmon, salmon fillet. Salmon fillet means we remove the bones, we clean it, we keep the skin.
What is this?
Then we're going to put on the top the salt, sugar,
Però,
pink peppercorn. We're going to cover it and chop dill to give the flavor. Then we can soak it with a little bit lemon juice. So everything is, if you go back, it's going to be chemistry, everything, because salt is the sodium which is removing the water from the meat or from the fish. Then you have lemon juice, which is acid and is cooking a little bit the fish. And then being a Scandinavian dish, in the same time, we're going to use gin. A little bit of gin to give the flavor of the juniper berries. As you know, the gin is done from the juniper berries. So it's going to be a little bit of this. We're going to cover it with the plastic and you can keep it inside the fridge now for 36.
sometimes it's good to put also some Jack Daniels. Italy is better. The marination, right?
I will make an update on the recipe for this one. I trust, since he's older
Take a
than
little
me,
longer
since
to
he's
the
older than me,
marination.
I trust him. It's like a family cooking now. I feel like I am cooking with my father. Whatever I say, he's doing whatever he wants.
I'm a lot of experience.
Yeah. So this one we're gonna keep it now at least 36 hours to get cured. The only difference between this one and the smoked salmon is gonna be the same consistency on the flesh, but you're not gonna have the smoky flavor. So of course we cannot stay here 36 hours. Some of you need to go, except 47 of you need to go home. So I have already one which have been done previously.
Eh?
This.
That was supposed to be looking, yeah? Where is all the juice? A salt.
We take it out already. So it's already like this after 36 hours, the consistency of the flesh. Then we take it out, we remove whatever is on the top, and we're gonna slice it very thin. So being a cold appetizer, this one, you can put it on the top of the pumpernickel bread, you can put it straight on the plate with the mustard sauce, honey mustard sauce. Now to slice it, you're gonna need a fillet knife. It's gonna be something like this, which is very thin, sharp and flexible in the same time. You cannot use it, the chef knife, because you don't get the flexibility to take out the thin slice.
5 more minutes for the sauce.
For the pasta?
Yes.
Okay. So you're gonna slice it like this. We're gonna make few of them. We're gonna make a plate in the same time. Yeah. So more or less, that's it. Thank you so much. I'll give another one. So one, as I said, is gonna be on the pumpernickel bread, which has been toasted previously. Then we arrange it on the top. Or we can make it on the plate. Plate it with the red beets, some asparagus, red radish. So either way, it's gonna be a very nice dish, a very nice appetizer, which is very light.
Very easy to prepare, eh?
Yeah, it's very easy to prepare it in the same time. So, yeah. And here we are. So it's gonna be 2 dishes. You can put dill springs on the top, or you can put red radish on the other one. As I said, mustard dressing will be very nice for both of them. So first dish, here we are.
Bravo!
What is done.
Very easy to prepare, as you can see, no?